US Vice President J.D. Vance on his maiden visit to India met Prime Minister Narendra Modi at his official residence and said significant progress has already been made on the bilateral trade deal that could offset US tariffs on Indian goods and services. In the second term of US President Donald Trump, Modi was among the first four heads of government welcomed by Trump to USA in February 2025. Trump's April tariff on literally the whole world has shocked and sunk financial markets, including India. However, India and some other countries negotiating with the USA have paused tariffs until July. Vance, his Indian wife Usha, and his family arrived in New Delhi on 21 April 2025 for a four-day official visit to India, marking his first trip to the country since assuming office. He visited the Akshardham temple and a crafts emporium where they purchased several items. Vance is in Jaipur on 22 April and visited the historic Amer Fort and other cultural sites. He will address a gathering at the Rajasthan International Centre, expected to include diplomats, policy experts, and government officials. His remarks will focus on the broader trajectory of India's ties under the Donald Trump administration. Prime Minister Narendra Modi welcomed Vance's wife, sons Vivek and daughter Maribel at his official residence with a red carpet. Modi and Vance discussed big movement on the bilateral trade deal. The two also talked about various regional and global issues of mutual interest and called for dialogue and diplomacy as the way forward. They noted continued efforts towards enhancing cooperation in energy, defense, strategic technologies, and other areas. The Prime Minister conveyed his warm greetings to President Trump and said he looked forward to his visit to India later in 2025. Vance, who is just 40 years old, is considered the voice of young American leaders in the Republican Party and has been vocally pushing at the frontiers of political, economic, and social battles. He is seen as an active player in the Trump administration. He has been a major influence and participant during state visits to the US in the first 100 days of President Trump's second term. Vance will likely make some strong observations and assertions at his speech at the Rajasthan International Centre in Jaipur.